A delectable symphony of flavor and health, exploring the richness of beet juice in the realm of health-conscious individuals and culinary enthusiasts. The vibrant and earthy elixir known as beet juice has carved an indelible niche for itself. Brimming with essential nutrients and antioxidants, this ruby-red beverage is a powerhouse of health benefits. In the world of nature's bounty, beets are akin to hidden gems. Their vibrant hue is an unmistakable hint towards the plethora of nutrients they contain. Unassuming yet potent, these earthy roots house a world of goodness within their crimson depths. Beet juice is a concoction that encapsulates this goodness. With every sip, it bestows upon us a treasure trove of essential nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, iron, and vitamins A, B6, and C. It's not just a juice, it's a wellness potion, a vital elixir. The health benefits of beet juice are as diverse as they are impressive. It aids in digestion, supports brain health, and helps maintain a healthy blood pressure. A daily glass of this vibrant juice is an effortless way to incorporate these benefits into your life. What sets beet juice apart, though, is its ability to enhance athletic performance. Yes, you heard it right. This humble juice is a favorite amongst athletes and fitness enthusiasts. It boosts stamina, improves oxygen use, and helps you exercise longer. But beet juice isn't just about health benefits. It's also a culinary delight. Its earthy flavor and rich color can add depth and vibrance to a variety of dishes. It's a versatile ingredient that's just as at home in a fruit smoothie as it is in a gourmet sauce. Savoring beet juice is akin to savoring a symphony of flavors. It's sweet, yet subtly earthy. It's robust, yet effortlessly smooth. It's a flavor profile that's both unique and intriguing, one that leaves you reaching for another sip. Drinking beet juice is not merely about quenching your thirst. It's an experience. It's about savoring the rich, earthy flavors, feeling the cool liquid cascade down your throat, and then experiencing a surge of vitality, a burst of energy. In a world obsessed with artificial flavors and processed foods, beet juice stands out. It's a testament to nature's genius, a tribute to her bountiful generosity. It's a reminder that the best flavors and the most potent health benefits are often found in the simplest of ingredients. In the end, beet juice is more than just a beverage. It's a lifestyle choice, a commitment to health and wellness. It's a testament to the belief that what we consume can either nourish us or deplete us. And when it comes to beet juice, it's always the former. So next time you reach for a beverage, make it a glass of beet juice. Let its vibrant hue captivate your senses, let its earthy flavor intrigue your palate, let its multitude of health benefits invigorate your body. After all, beet juice is a delectable symphony of flavor and health. It's a journey worth embarking upon.